guys, welcome back to one of Thins. But for today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix PS5 Error CE-117773-6. Something went wrong. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your PS5 here, well, in this case, there is something to do to probably solve this issue. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to access your settings and you want to go to users and accounts. Now in here you want to navigate to the restore licenses section by going to the other section here you see at the left panel here, and you want to locate restore licenses. Now this step actually often resolves the issue and allows you to extend your subscription successfully. Now, if that doesn't work, you could try signing out and sign in or sign back in into your account. So, in the same users and accounts menu here, you want to locate the sign out option at the bottom here. As you can see, there's the sign out option here, and from then on, you want to sign out from your PlayStation account and then sign back in. So this can help refresh your account and resolve any errors that you might be encountering. And finally, if that doesn't work, you could use the PlayStation app or website here to basically try extending your PlayStation Plus subscription. So in this case, using your PlayStation app or phone or PlayStation website or on a desktop or laptop here. So either ways here. So you want to navigate to your subscription options and complete the process there. Now this step should help you fix the error and extend your PlayStation Plus subscription. If the issues continues, in this case, you might want to consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance, but in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to enough to inspo. Thank you for watching.